Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your own custom bridal shower invitation. Now, on to the latest news. Weddings are making a thrilling comeback. An estimated 2.5 million weddings are expected to take this year, marking the highest number since 1984. Non-traditional themes, extravagant florals, unique cakes, and personalized elements are the order of the day. It's a fascinating resurgence, with a twist of personalization that's making each wedding uniquely memorable. This trend of personalization isn't just limited to the wedding day itself, it begins way earlier, right from the bridal shower invitations. Over the years, bridal shower invitations have undergone a significant evolution. Once simple and generic, they've transformed into personalized works of art that set the tone for the upcoming festivities. In the past, bridal shower invitations were quite straightforward, a piece of paper stating the date, time, and place of the event. But as time passed, these invitations started to reflect the personality of the bride, the theme of the shower, and even the wedding color scheme. From hand-painted invitations to photo cards, the options became endless. Fast forward to today, where the rise of digital platforms has revolutionized the way we approach bridal shower invitations. Take Etsy, for example. This online marketplace has become a go-to resource for those seeking unique, customizable invitations. One standout product is the Etsy Bridal Shower Invitation Template. Priced at a modest $3.99, this self-editable template is a bargain. The design features a striking burgundy and navy hexagonal pattern, but don't let that limit your creativity. The wording, font, text color, text placement, and background color can all be personalized to your liking. And it's not just about aesthetics. The template is easy to use thanks to Template, an online editor that works right in your web browser. You can upload images, adjust the layout, and when you're happy with the result, choose from several download options: PDF, JPEG, or PNG. The Etsy Bridal Shower Invitation Template is designed to fit a 7x5-inch card, perfect for an A7 envelope. And remember, this design is for personal use only, and cannot be used for commercial purposes. But the best part? You'll have access to the template for 1 whole year from the date of purchase. This means you can tweak and adjust as much as you like until you're completely satisfied. So, as the wedding industry continues to innovate and personalize, why not start the celebration off right with a custom bridal shower invitation? After all, it's the first step in creating unforgettable memories. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to purchase your own custom bridal shower invitation. Remember, a personalized bridal shower invitation not only sets the tone for your event, but also makes your guests feel special and included. The convenience of buying from Etsy gives you access to a multitude of unique designs, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your celebration. So why wait? Click the link in the description below and start creating unforgettable memories with your custom bridal shower invitation today.